The 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, remote keyless entry, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.